tell the names of the Northeast states? Can you tell the names?
What is notice?
Notice. This is new for them, I think. Right? Notice means we are saying the north and even the east side.
No.
So we are not knowing.
Northeast.
Yeah, not knowing each other. So we need to make this kind of videos. So many people will come to know. Right?
No.
Assam, Manipur, Nagaland.
Assam, Manipur,
Nagaland, Tripura.
Okay, brothers, I'm going to ask you some few questions.
Yeah.
So we are all Indians, so we can take out our these spectacles, I think, spectacles and masks, I think, right? So that those who are seeing the videos, that girls and boys, very beautiful boys.
Yeah, I will tell. Assam is there,
Assam,
and Manipur is there.
Manipur,
Yeah. And Nagaland,
Nagaland,
and Nepal, I think. Nepal and North.
Nepal, not Nepal,
Sikkim is there.
Sikh.
Oh, six are there.
Seven. Tripura, Mizoram, Arunachal Pradesh,
Assam.
Assam, Nagaland, Manipur.
Yeah, you know more than me.
Because I am from here, no. Delhi means that
No.
that.
So yeah, 7 is enough.
Okay, 7 enough, right? Just okay. No, notice about notice. Can you tell the names of the notice states? Yes. Notice states of the Northeast Indians. States names, yes. Manipur, Assam, Nagaland, Arunachal, 7 states. Northeast, not Tamil, Kerala, not that Kolkata, not Delhi. Only Northeast. Assam, Manipur, Nagaland, Northeast. China, brothers. No China, Indian, notice names. Assam, Nagaland, Arunachal Pradesh, Manipur, West Bengal. No, not this. There is not. Yes, West Bengal. There is not West Bengal. Tripura, Sikkim, Mizoram. Mizoram finish. Yes, Northeast. Can you please tell the names of the states? Just see. Can you please tell the names? Tripura, Uttar Pradesh. No Uttar Pradesh. Northeast. Missed. No West Bengal. There is notice about. We are Indian, no? So, then I'm going to ask some questions. That is, can you please name the states of the Northeast? Yes. Arunachal Pradesh, Manipur, Meghalaya, Tripura, yes. 7. Arunachal Pradesh, yes. Smart. Super. Arunachal and next is Mizoram and Sikkim. Selfie. Okay friends, I am Elizabeth Pamai from Manipur. Yes, I'm living here in Malampuzha Dam, the biggest, the largest dam of the Kerala, right?
Yeah, right.
And now I have friends from Kerala, so we're going to ask some questions about Northeast and South Indians. So, brothers, are you ready?
Yeah, we are ready.
So they are ready. Question. I'm asking about you know about Northeast or no?
Yeah.
So I'm asking.
Ah,
Can you please name them?
Manipur,
Manipur, Assam,
Sikkim,
Sikkim,
Bhutan,
Bhutan. Oh, country. Arunachal Pradesh. Smart. Himachal. Ah, Himachal. North. Jammu Kashmir fighting.
Jaipur,
Uttarakhand. North. Brother. Maharashtra. Smart. Maharashtra. No day. Odisha. No really. Okay, friends. Thank you. See you.